Hello and welcome back to Driven by Fuel. Going for something a little bit different today. So as you can see, we are fitting the windscreen. So the old one had a big crack in it. I had also had a bullet hole in it. Obviously 50-year-old American truck, it had a nice little bullet hole in the top. Didn't film any of the removal of the windscreen, but as you can see now, we're just trying to fit the lock and strip, which fought back quite a bit. So yeah, just trying to fit the lock and strip and trying to force it into the corners. We watched a couple of videos on it, and this was apparently the biggest issue, was trying to get these as tight as possible in the corners. So as you can see, we're trying to stretch the rubber, try and make it as tight as possible in them corners. So yeah, just gonna time lapse through this, and I'll show you fitting the windscreen itself. So we are on a brand new day now, because we didn't have the right lock and strip. We needed the one that sort of pressed in. As you can see, we're using Fairy Up liquid to try and moisten up the little crevice, so we could try and fit this little tool in and try and feed it all the way around. Again, this fought, but we did manage to do it. So yeah, just trying to wedge it into this little gap. Like I say, it takes quite a while, but sped it up so we can see what it looks like with a fresh new windscreen in, all fully sealed and everything like that. Just as a point of reference, after this, I took the truck out and it was probably the heaviest rain I've seen in a long time, and we had no drips or dribbles or anything, so that was fabulous. Right folks, we're coming up to the end of the video now. So yeah, we ended up giving up on this little locking key thing in the middle, and we ended up putting some silicone in and some silicone around the edges and things like that. So if you do like this sort of content, please like, subscribe, comment, all that sort of jazz. In the next couple of weeks we should have videos on service and the side panels being painted and wrapped out white, so that should be good to look forward to. See you on the next one.